On this President's Day Monday, I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. This KGW8 Plus weather update. You know, today's weather, pretty much more of what we had over the weekend. Lots of clouds, temperatures not bad, reaching 50, a little bit better. Winds not bad. They may pick up a little bit southwest 10 to 20 in the valley during the afternoon. And some light precipitation, but not much, right? That's what we had over the weekend, so we're going to have today. There's a front that comes in tonight, the one we've been talking about with the much colder weather. And everything I'm going to talk about moving forward is with that cold air coming in tonight and what that leads to in the coming days. So behind me, I don't have a legend on this, but I'll take you through it. All the watches, warnings, and advisories for tonight into tomorrow from the National Weather Service. So let's begin with the color purple up the Cascade Range and up the Coast Range. That's a winter storm warning for heavy snow starting at 10 o'clock tonight all the way through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Now in red, that's a high wind warning that starts at 6 p.m. today. This is the East Gorge, Wasco County, out through Pelton and the Columbia Basin for strong winds. And then this more orange tone around Madras, that's Jefferson, down into parts of Deschutes County, a wind advisory for winds kicking up a little bit later today as well. So in text form, if you will, the winter storm warning for the Cascades starts at 10 o'clock tonight in the Coast Range. Looking at not a ton, but a couple feet of snow through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. The Coast Range 6 to 12. Now the Coast Range will only see snow during the night tonight and tomorrow down to about 1,000 feet. So that would impact only the higher passes on Highway 6 and 26. But Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, snow levels will come down. All showery precipitation would be snow over the Coast Range. We'll keep an eye on that. The wind warning for the East Gorge out into the basin starting at 6 o'clock tonight into Tuesday morning. There could be southwest winds gusting 45 to as high as 60 miles per hour. And then for the wind advisory, which remember was south of this area down into Jefferson and Deschutes counties, Redmond, Madras, Bend, still there could be some winds gusting to 50 or a little bit better. So the system coming in tonight will trigger some strong to gusty southwest winds through the night into tomorrow morning. Here in the valley, I expect northwesterlies to kick up overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. Portland and Salem could see some winds to about 35 miles per hour, but then those winds would ease somewhat as we go through the afternoon. Okay, snow levels, of course, a big headline, right? So today, snow level for mainly some flurries or raindrops as high as 5,000 feet. Front comes in before midnight, around midnight to Mount Hood, and then snow levels quickly fall. So by tomorrow morning, and certainly during much of the day, snow levels for sticking snow will be somewhere between near 1,000 feet and about 1,200 or 1,300 feet. I think it will be lower than 1,500. So near to just above 1,000 feet. That's Tuesday. Tuesday night into Wednesday, snow levels take another dive. This time we're getting down during the day Wednesday closer to 500 feet for sticking snow. And then we will see east winds start to pick up Wednesday. That will really drive the big chunk of the coldest weather coming in. So Wednesday night into Thursday morning, valley lows plummet into the 20s, and that obviously means anything on radar would be snow and would be sticking snow. That would be Wednesday into Thursday morning. But the question is, and it's a big one, would there be enough moisture left over Wednesday evening into Thursday morning for there to be a dusting to as much as 2 inches of snow in scattered locations at low elevations, including downtown Portland? Don't know. I mean, right now, I would say most of the data we look at as forecasters is leaning like we would be doing well just to get a dusting in scattered locations. But there's a couple twists to the forecast that's unclear to me how much moisture may or may not be available. So we're watching Wednesday night into Thursday morning very closely. Here's what our Futurecast movie shows you. So this is 8 o'clock tonight. I mentioned a little bit of light stuff around during the day today. Then at some point this evening, scattered showers start to pick up. Now the front comes in to Portland around 10 to 11 overnight. And what's interesting is it doesn't look like there's going to be any solid rain band with it. It's just going to increase the number of showers coming through. So here we are tomorrow morning, already picking up snow over the upper elevations of the Coast Range, already getting heavy snow rates bouncing in the Cascades. This should be mainly rain during the day tomorrow. Right now, the forecast projections for the Hood River Valley and out into the Dalles have temperatures overnight tonight into tomorrow holding in the mid-30s and daytime highs getting up to the 40. But it'll be a west wind through the gorge. That should help keep the lower elevations above freezing. During the day tomorrow, did you see some of those bright yellow colors? That's a mix of some heavy showers. It's cold enough tomorrow that there certainly could be some convection and some hail mixed in with the showers. Snow continues Coast Range, Cascades. This is 5:30. Now this gets interesting. We'll go into Wednesday morning. Now we're starting to pick up east winds. Snow levels drop. Remember, about 500 feet for sticking snow. I still think odds favor most of the elevations of Portland, certainly downtown Portland, staying above freezing Wednesday morning. It may be mostly snow we see in the air Wednesday, or grapple, which are those little ice pellets, but I think we'll stay anywhere from the mid-30s to about 40 during the day. And then Wednesday evening, now we're getting into the area where everybody could see some snicky snow. Here's Wednesday at 5:30. This would be all snow. It still shows a mix over Salem, but here's nothing but snow coming through at 10 p.m. And then there would be nothing but snow showers into Thursday morning. Again, not clear if that's enough for scattered dustings or scattered inch or two of snow in some spots, or if it simply turns out to be flurries. So we're keeping an eye on that. I do want to show you our live timberline camera. This is from this morning. We're taping this at 8:41 in the morning right now. Winds were strong last night. They faded somewhat during the day today, but Meadows actually suspended operations for fear of winds getting strong during the day on the upper mountain. I will tell you, as that front comes in overnight tonight, it comes in with a jet stream, and that means the upper elevations of Mount Hood could see 85 to even 100 mile per hour wind gusts. Those winds would take a while to ease somewhat during the day on Tuesday. So tomorrow, operations at all the ski resorts, to me, look to be somewhat in question. So we're going to get the snow, but unfortunately wind may make it impossible to be open. So check with your resort websites. Here we are this afternoon, upper 40s to low 50s, Coast Valley, mid 50s in Bend, mid 50s in the Dalles. This is a dry Monday east of the Cascades where clouds are thinner. And here come my 7-day numbers. 53 today. We talked about the colder weather coming in tomorrow. Heavy showers, 40 to 45. Wednesday, 34 to 40. Wednesday needs an eye on it. Our Futurecast model is pretty aggressive on snow. And if east winds kick up more so and earlier in the day than I think, then we could see parts of the valley scattered near freezing at some point during the day with heavier snow showers. So keep an eye on Wednesday. The better chance right now for sticking at lower elevations Wednesday night, Thursday, but it would be scattered areas. Otherwise, Thursday right now looks to be flurries getting up to about 32. These lows of 23 Thursday and 20 Friday are both near records for this time of the year. Friday gets up to 38. It's all dry. The models that came out last night and this morning keep us dry Friday, Friday night, and Saturday morning. With moisture either picking up with the new system coming in Saturday afternoon or not until Saturday night. And if that holds true, then I like the timing of the wind direction warming us up, and this would just be rain. But we're still watching, like a hawk, of course, that next system coming in over the weekend. That's your update for now. Hope you'll stay with our weather team here at Channel 8 for this upcoming week. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill with this KGW 8 Plus weather update.